This video is going to show you how to determine if a function is even or odd graphically. There's also a way to do it algebraically, and there's a different video for that if you're interested. So graphically, even functions have symmetry over the y-axis. So that means that if I have the point xy anywhere over here, the point over here is also on the graph. So that's the point negative xy. Odd functions have symmetry about the origin. So that means that if I have the point xy over here, the point over here is also on the graph. So that's the point negative x, negative y. And odd, I like to think of as opposite, or turning it upside down. Can you still see the same thing? So let's take a look at these three examples. The first one, do I have symmetry over the y-axis? Meaning, if I took this picture on a piece of paper and I folded it in half along that y-axis, would I have the same thing? And the answer is clearly no. So that's the easiest thing to check for. It's not even. Now, if you have it on a piece of paper, or if you have it on your calculator, you can flip it upside down. So I'm going to do the same thing here. If I flip this upside down, do I see the same picture? I do. So that means that it is odd. Let me turn it back the right way, and then we'll also just talk about points. So I have the point here, 1, 1. This is the point here, negative 1, negative 1. That's another way to check as well. So this is odd. My next one, in the middle, I have a parabola. Is this an even, odd, or neither? Well, do I have symmetry over the y-axis? If I take this picture and I fold it in half along that y-axis, do I get the same picture? And I do. And you can check it with the points as well. This is the point 2, 0. This is the point negative 2, 0. So this is even. And then my last picture on the right. Do I have symmetry over the y-axis? I don't, because on the left side I have the point negative 4, 0 over here, but I don't have a point 4, 0 over here. So it's definitely not symmetrical over the y-axis. So now I want to check if it has symmetry over the origin. So like I said, you can take your paper or your calculator and flip it upside down. So if I flip this upside down, do I get the same picture? No, it's going in the complete opposite direction. So that means that this is neither. So that's how you determine if something is even, odd, or neither graphically.